Hi guys, what's up? It's your girl Charla from That Girl Cooks Healthy. Today I'm going to show you how to make some curry potato salad. This is a vegan friendly, delicious, simple, tasty, Caribbean inspired salad that you must try. I cannot wait to show you guys how to make it, so let's get to it. So these are the ingredients that you're going to need. You're going to need some sweet potatoes. These sweet potatoes that I have here are the Caribbean style sweet potato. So the skin is red and the inside is an off-white, a cream type of color, and that's the potato that I like to use for this recipe because it is naturally sweet. You're also going to need some vegan mayonnaise, some chadon beni, and also some thyme, some celery stalks just cut up quite thinly, red bell pepper again chopped up quite thinly or small should I say, some curry powder which is the star of the show, so I'm using my homemade curry powder and I'll put a link to that in the video so you can watch the video for how I make that. You're also going to need some paprika, some yellow mustard seeds or powder, onion, garlic granules, scallion, and some pink salt and black pepper. So the first thing we need to do is to steam the sweet potato. So I'm just going to hover my hand over the water to make sure that it is nice and hot. Then I'm going to carefully insert my steaming basket or a steaming insert, whatever you want to call it. Then I'm going to carefully just pour in the sweet potato, and then I'm going to use the back of a spoon just to spread it out. Then what you want to do is you want to put the lid on and you want to leave the potato to steam until it is fork tender. You don't want it to be really soft because it will break up in the salad. You just want it to be fork tender. So put the lid on and just allow it to steam until it is fork tender. So I'm just going to remove the lid now because the sweet potato has been steaming for a while, and I'm going to get a fork and I'm going to check the readiness of the sweet potatoes by just inserting the fork, and if it's nice and soft that means it is ready to go. So what I did is I drained off the water and I placed the sweet potato in a colander, and I've just got some water here, some cold water, and I'm running it over the sweet potato because we don't want it to cook anymore. This will stop the sweet potato from cooking further and it will also cool it down so we're able to use it immediately. So you just want to do this for a few minutes until it's cooled down. So I've added the sweet potato to a large bowl, and what I'm going to do is add my red bell peppers followed by the celery, and I'm going to mix it up, and then I'm going to add my scallion, and again I'm going to mix it up. You want to be careful when you're mixing as well that you don't want to mash out the sweet potato, so just do it quite carefully, just fold in the ingredients. So now I'm going to add my curry powder followed by my paprika, yellow mustard. I'm using mustard seeds, but mustard powder also works as well. Some onion granules, garlic granules, followed by the chadon beni and the thyme, and then I'm going to add the vegan mayonnaise. So now that I've added the vegan mayonnaise, I'm just going to grab a large spoon. I'm going to fold everything in because we want all of the ingredients to combine with the potato. You're also going to notice as well that the color of your potato salad is going to have a yellow tint to it because of the curry powder. So you just keep folding until all of the potato is pretty much coated with the vegan mayonnaise. So the final thing that you need to do now is just to add some black pepper and pink salt to taste. I always say in most of my recipes, in fact in all of them, to do a taste test before adding any further black pepper, pink salt, additional black pepper, pink salt, whatever it is. So you want to do that, and then you just want to add in the amount that you pretty much feel that you need. So that's how you make your curry potato salad. It's a really simple side dish. It's a must try side dish for so many recipes, and it's vegan friendly, so you can't go wrong with that in terms of dietary requirements. Thank you so much for watching this video. Please like, comment and subscribe and share, and I'll catch you on the other side.